Hello everyone. Today we will learn to add retry mechanism in Power Automate desktop work queue. So for that, let us go to Power Automate and create a new work queue. And here, let us name it as retry work queue. In here, we have one checkbox that tells us auto retry on IT exception. But for the time being, let us not do that. Let us just create a work queue. In this work queue, what we will try to do, we will add a new work queue item with the name as test, and input should be test only. And let us create a work queue item first. Now, once we have this work queue item, let us go back in Power Automate desktop and create a new desktop below. Try work queue and create it. Here, let us take action for work queue. This work queue, let us select retry work queue and save it. And again, we will have an update work queue item present with us, and let us update as IT exception and save it. Now, since we didn't added a retry work queue details in here, how we will be able to add a retry mechanism in this using this Power Automate desktop? So for that, let us just go in advanced, and in this advanced setting, let us enable this action where it says override work queue auto retry configuration. So basically, instead of using the retry mechanism in by default retry mechanism in work queue, we will just add this mechanism in Power Automate using Power Automate desktop only. So how many times we need to add a retry? So we will keep it as one, so that once it will retry and then mark it as a failure. And again, let us keep add a display message to check the retry count. And here, let us come and take the process dot retry count, save it. Let us just run a code. And we check the retry count is 0, and now the retry count has increased to 1. And that's it. It has tried one time since we didn't added a retry mechanism in this work queue. But what if we don't want to go with this? Then we have a simple straightforward process. We will just disable this advanced option, and instead of using the retry mechanism from Power Automate desktop, we will use this. We will edit the queue and add retry mechanism in here. It should retry once and save it. And let us again run a code. Okay, the record that is already updated as IT exception. Let us change it to queued again and run a code. We checked its retry count 0 and again retry count 1. So these are two ways to check the retry, to perform the retries for work queue item. So we can select the retry pro mechanism according to requirement. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.